Hey guys, just thought I'd do a very quick video showing you the impact of spikes on the market and why you must put your stop to entry to guarantee if the spike goes against you, you don't lose any money. And if the spike goes with you, then you can make some money. This is the 7 a.m. GDP announcement this morning. That's 11 minutes ago. We record this live. I'm going to show you what we did. Market, it was round about here. 7 o'clock this morning, well, not around about here, it was exactly there. And the market opened, we had the week GDP figures for the UK, and the market then come straight off. We had some robots trading this that went straight down, and we made quite a few rupees out of it. But we put our stop to entry in our early morning short. But our early morning short was pretty good. If we'd stayed in, we were short from here. That's a risk reward 1-to-1, and we would have won. It would have got better than 1-to-1, but it's all about risk management. Manage your risk because the spike can go against you. And I'll now put the live video on, and you can see what happened. Now, guys, I just thought I'd do a quick video showing the impact of the news this morning. We've got news affecting cable UK GDP. Could go either direction or out of the market at the moment. Stop to entry. Look at that spike. Wow. Shows the impact of the markets. So if you'd stayed in, you would have hit full profits, but the risk was too great. Just to show you the impact of the markets, it's pretty big. If we have a quick look of how that looks on GDP. Figures today, they're not really out. Where are we? GDP. Yeah, markets are underperforming, and we've had that spike down of pound against the dollar because of the underperformance. I know we trade these sometimes, but it's early doors. Some people will still be in bed. I just thought to record that so you can watch it later. Cheers, guys.